Dr. Harry. With the closure of SCI Rockview and Q-Hannah Boot Camp, I received an inquiry from a constituent who indicated that inmates were required to either destroy their personal property or pay out-of-pocket shipping costs. And then they shared an article that said in one reported case, the shipping costs were $141, and that placed that inmate's account in deficit. So given that these transfers were the result of a state-initiated closure decision, did the department budget for covering the full cost of inmate property transfers? And if not, what would be the projected fiscal impact of doing so in the event that there are future facility closures?
Well, first of all, inmates are very familiar with property compliance, and they know that all of their property has to fit in either 4 record center boxes or 2 record center boxes and a foot locker. So this is for any transfer. We always, if an inmate's transferring from one facility to another, that their property goes with them on the bus when they transfer. So when you say factoring in,
they're typically because of a decision made by DOC, or there's misconduct, or there's disciplinary action,
or classification. They could be complete with classification and then transfer to their home facility. It could be for a program that the inmate wants to do or needs. I mean, there's lots of reasons. Get him closer to him or her closer to home. But anyhow, they were aware of those rules. We put out memos regarding the rules. They're aware that if they exceed property compliance, that's their choice. Many of them, even though they know the rules, will choose to exceed the property compliance. They know the rule of ship or destroy. We did actually, for this closure, which we haven't done in the past, we assured that they could maintain their same pay rate, and we hadn't done that in prior closures. So that was another factor, because we did, and we didn't have to, but we did because of, like you said, it was our decision to close the facility. That would be something, I guess, if we were to consider down the road. I don't know the total cost for shipping from the closures. $154,000. It wasn't a huge amount, actually. So, and people at Q-Hannah are relatively new in the system, so they're not going to have a lot of property. It primarily would have been, my guess is, Rockview individuals.
Very good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.